for tuning into my channel. I have now 453 subs. That's awesome. Never expected it to even grow that high, but I gained another 20 or 30. It's awesome. Today I'm going to make salmon slices with some mango, and I'm going to serve it on top of white rice, okay? Now I put together this little marinade like a topping. It's with a little bit of brown sugar, soy sauce, and a little olive oil. Okay, now I'm just going to coat the fish with this. Alright. My grill is heating up. And let's get this coated. Mix it up a little bit. Now, most people pat their salmon dry. I don't do that. I tend to just leave it alone. I let it air dry the best I can, and we take it from there. Now, see what happens. These are very thin, so they're going to cook fast. Okay. Ready. Let's put this salmon in here and get this going. You know, I use this little fish cooker. It's not bad. It's pretty cool, you know. Saves me just a little bit of time. That's alright. You know, that's okay. That's all good. The oven's nice and hot. It's all been oiled. Put that face down. Now, I think we're going to turn these over. They're going to take just a couple minutes. You're done. So let's pop these babies off. What do you say? Okay. That's how I like to do that. Look at that grilled salmon over a bed of rice with slabs of mango. That's gonna taste so good. I topped the salmon with a little mixture of soy sauce, brown sugar, and olive oil, just to give it a nice little brown golden char.